So we have this 2025 Alliance fifth wheel in with that generator issue. So let's see what the problem is. So this one has a new inverter generator by NPS, but the carburetor is clogged. So let's get it out, clean it, and reinstall the carburetor and see what happens. So we have this Chemtech carburetor cleaner solution. So we'll go ahead and take the carburetor apart, clean it with the carburetor cleaner, then we'll soak it in the solution for about an hour. So now let's reinstall the carburetor and then we'll go ahead and test it.